Before electricity. Before steel beasts roared across the land. There was a whisper. A spark in the dark. In the soot-choked streets of 18th century Britain, a revolution was born, not with swords, but with spinning wheels that never slept and engines that drank fire and breathed power. They called it the Industrial Revolution. We call it the moment humanity stopped weaving fate by hand and started forging it with iron. This wasn't just invention. This was the birth cry of the modern world. Welcome to the age when muscle bowed to machine. When time itself was tamed. And the future arrived wrapped in smoke and thunder. The world before machines. Imagine 1700s. England, a land of green fields and horse-drawn ploughs. One woman at a handloom weaves 1 yard of cloth per day. Population booms from 5 million to 9 million, but wood for fuel runs dry. Coal becomes king, hidden beneath the earth. Tariffs enclose common lands, pushing farmers to cities. England wasn't just hungry for change, it was starving for it. The sleeping giant awakens, as factories whisper from the shadows. The first fire enter. James Watt, a Scottish tinkerer in 1765. Watching a boiling kettle, he dreams bigger, a separate condenser to recycle steam, boosting efficiency 300%. No more wasteful. Newcomen pumps flooding mines. Partnered with Matthew Boulton in 1775, they mass-produce engines. 1 horse pulls 1 ton, 1 watt engine pulls 100. By 1800, 500 engines power Britain's heart. One Scottish inventor had just multiplied human power 100 times. Cotton Empire. Cotton floods in from American slaves, cheap, endless. James Hargreaves, 1764, spinning jenny spins 8 threads at once. Richard Arkwright's 1771 water frame builds the first factory in Cromford, water-powered, 24/7. Samuel Crompton's 1779 mule. 200 threads. Output explodes, 1 million spindles in 1800 to 40 million by 1830. But shadows loom, 7-year-olds work 16 hours, lungs black with dust. Luddites smash machines in 1811, fearing the end of craft. Cotton is king, but at what crown of thorns? Iron takes over. Iron bridges span rivers by 1781, Abraham Darby's coke-fueled blast furnaces make it cheap. 1825, Stockton-Darlington line opens, George Stephenson's locomotion hauls coal at 15 miles per hour. 1829 Rainhill trials, rocket wins at 48 kilometers per hour, belching smoke. 1830 Liverpool-Manchester, first passenger train, 30 miles per hour, world shrinks. Iron veins pulse through the land, carrying progress on rails of fire. Cities of smoke. Manchester, 1800s 75,000 souls, 1850s 400,000 in hellish hives. Cholera kills thousands, average life. 17 years in factories. Engels wanders these human engines in 1844, pale ghosts amid the roar. Sewers overflow, air chokes with soot. Yet, wealth flows, cotton barons build empires. Cities rise like cathedrals of coal, baptizing the poor in progress. The price of progress. Revolt brews. 1819 Peterloo Massacre, 60,000 demand rights, cavalry charges, 15 dead. 1842 Mines Report, 5-year-olds haul coal in darkness. Marx arrives in London, penning Das Kapital from these ashes. Laws creep in, 1833. Factory Act limits child hours. Progress devours its children, but seeds of reform sprout in the blood. The ghost in the machine. 2 centuries on, abandoned mills echo with ghosts. Yet, their fire ignites Tesla bots, looms. We built machines to serve us, now we serve the code. The revolution never ended, it refuels on silicon. Smoke and thunder birthed the modern world. What thunder comes next? Subscribe for the next revolution.